Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change and upload a new resume on LinkedIn. This is especially useful if you've recently updated your experience, added new skills, or want to tailor your resume for different roles you're applying for directly through LinkedIn. So it's very simple. Just click on your profile icon at the top of your LinkedIn homepage. Then from here, choose Settings and Privacy, which is where LinkedIn stores all of your account, visibility, and job-related preferences. Then on the left side, choose Data Privacy, where you can manage the information LinkedIn uses during job applications. Now scroll all the way down to this Job Seeking Preferences section and choose Job Application Settings. This section is important because it controls what recruiters see when you apply for jobs using LinkedIn's Easy Apply feature. Now from here, you will see your old resume that's currently saved on LinkedIn. So you can change it by clicking on those three dots next to the resume, then choose Delete. This gives you a clean slate, so you're not accidentally submitting an outdated version when applying for roles. This will delete your resume, and you can upload your new one right away. So I'm going to choose quickly my new resume from my computer. Make sure this version is updated, clearly formatted, and optimized with relevant keywords for the roles you're targeting. So this is my new resume, and this is how you can change your resume on LinkedIn. Doing this regularly helps you stay prepared for new opportunities and make sure recruiters always see your most up-to-date information. I hope you found it helpful and now feel confident updating your resume on LinkedIn. If this tutorial saved you time or helped you out, give it a quick like. It really supports the channel. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple, step-by-step tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.